All right, folks, I messed up. This is not the continuation video. All right, so we're mounting that weed booster. All right, so what I did already was there was a panel that was in here. Now remember, the roof is right there, and what I'm going to do is it's up right there. I'm up inside about that far. Here's my flat spot of the roof. Right there is my seam on the outside, right here. So we're getting lucky because here's my 12-volt cigarette lighter output cable. There's two 110s. Here's your in and out audio video select. All right. I had to take these two trim pieces down right here. I'll push these nails back on. They're done by an air gun. Then I had to take this panel down. I had to notch that out to get the cables out. There's an LED light there. So that gave me access to the fiberglass cap. All right. I used this 90 degree to pull some of that trim off without messing it up. Yeah. Okay, so then I'll feed the 12-volt wire down through here and put another smaller hole through there, and then put the cigarette lighter adapter in there, or power outlet. Let me put you on pause. All right, so we're back at the project. What we got is a plywood. It's like about 1/2 inch thick. Okay, you don't want to use regular wood, like a pine wood, because it'll crack if a lot of force goes on it. It'll split. So you want to use a good plywood. I've used this for, I did an upgrade on a Super C. Funny that I'm using this now. Okay, then I cut me a rubber pad thick. So this will go under the fiberglass cap to give it reinforcement. This will go on top of the fiberglass. I drilled 6 holes, and we'll put it this way. So this is the front of the cab, driver's passenger side. So they'll be sitting like that. Then I'll put this piece, I drilled a double hole through, so I can put 2 screws there, wood screws, 2 there, 2 there, that's 6. I used a 3/16 bit, and believe it or not, I got some stainless steel screws coming, but I'm gonna prep it here. So this is going to go through that fiberglass. And if you see, it's about right. I'll put it up. Okay. All right, so it'll take just about enough of the fiberglass too. So that should be a 1/4 inch fiberglass. So I'll put 6 screws. I'll put the first 4 here, right? Then I'll put this on, tighten it down, and then put these other 2 screws in. So we have a double hold on this thing. All right, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm going to take this in, and we're going to see what's up here. All right, see how it fits up in there. See if I got the right amount of space. All right, it's dark in there, isn't it? Somebody took the light out. Some Jeff guy. All right. Okay, so stick it. Oh, yeah, plenty of space. My God, there's like an inch. So it goes up into there. I'm going to put it right about there like that, but up inside here. There's the cap, fiberglass cap. At least this is insulated. I've seen a lot of them that are empty. So, once again, it's a little bit of insulation helps everything. Keeps it warm and keeps it cool. All right, so I'll put you on pause, and we'll get this set up. All right, so we're back. We drilled the hole. We used this rubber as a guide and this bracket. All right, now we're going to feed this through, which is the power motor, antenna, remote control up and down. And then this part goes to the antenna. This part goes to the amplifier inside. All right, so what I want to do is actually I'm going to add a little shrink tubing to this to help it when it goes in the hole. I'll show you in a little bit. I'll put you on pause, get it set up. All right, so what I've done is routed it through there. Remember I was telling you there was a beam going across here? Well, guess what that hit? All right, so we're going to figure out a way around that. I don't really want to go inside and pull every 4 inches in and come out. So let me bend something and see if it works. All right, we're back at it. So we pulled this cable all the way through. You got to make sure that this end, the female end, is up on the antenna. All right, that was a lot of cable to reel through. All right, so we put it through both. I put a little shrink tube in here to stop the small cable from rubbing. And right there, and I got a nice rubber gasket. I'm still going to silicone everything, or 501 self-lapping. All right, and then here's the motor. It'll go like that, and then it'll go. I think I got to adjust it right here for indexing. See, so that'll be later. All right, so we're getting there. All right, folks, let's go down below and show you what I did down there. Put you on pause. All right, so we're inside. And like I said, we pulled this through. We had to pull some insulation down. I'll put it back up in there. And remember, that's the fiberglass cap right there. That's the curved part of it. So I had to bring all these cables through. And now we'll put the wood in. All right, put you on pause again. All right, so there's all the cable, right? I put it through this hole right here. I made this hole a little bit bigger so make it easier. Now I got to fit it up in here. There's a space up in there, okay? Right in there. I can't see it and you can't, but it's up in there. And I'm going to line it up. I'm going to go through and put screws up from the top down into this board to reinforce it. Even though the fiberglass is probably a good 1/4 inch thick, and you want to use plywood. Remember, regular wood will split. This will hold the screw much better. There'll be 6 of them, and pretty much need 100 mile an hour going down the road in a hurricane to get this thing off. And by then, you ain't worried about it. All right, so I'm going to put you on pause again.